So hey, Andre, I hear it's just about bike season at Derand, and you got some new bikes in. Tell me about what you have here.
Yes, I do. I'd like to welcome everybody to Derand Motorsports here on Newmarket Street. This year we're going to have this 2019 Daymak. It's called a Sunshine bike. It comes with 48 volt, 12 amp hour batteries. It's got this beautiful case on the back. It's got beautiful LEDs that change color. It comes with the pedals, beautiful, beautiful mirrors. This basket, it comes with the charger. It's got nice tires on it. It'll run around approximately 32 kilometers an hour. And right now its going price is $14.95, and you get a full 1-year warranty, parts and labor right onto the batteries also. It comes with this beautiful keyless entry that has a factory alarm system that you can arm and disarm the bicycle when you park it.
So wait a sec, this is an electric bike.
It's an electric, yeah,
you plug it in, it's got some batteries, you don't have to have insurance? Is that
no gas, no insurance, no license to drive it.
And tell me about this thing at the back here. I think there's a new feature.
Yeah, this is a bucket that you can put your lunchbox in, your drinks.
Your helmet.
You can carry whatever you want, your coat, your helmet. And also you can put your lunch in when you're going to work. You can lock it up. If you want, you can take it off and bring it into your office with you. I was just going to get it off.
Did I hear there was a new solar feature there too?
Absolutely. You can buy this bike with the solar feature. It's another $199. And plus the tax on it. And this, you can lock this up, you walk into your office with your lunch, your coat, whatever you want, and then you come back, and when you're ready to go home at night, you put it back in, it locks in place. You also got space underneath the seat, very, very little of it, but you can tuck a little bit of stuff in here, and it also locks, and you get spare key.
So that solar feature, what does that do?
Well, during the day when you're parked at work or at home, it'll take the sun and trickle charge the battery that's in your bike.
So if you're going further, you're going to make sure you have a little
try
more
to keep the battery somewhat topped up. Not a lot, but it gives you maybe 3 to 5% more charge during the day when it's charged there. It'll probably give you about 10-15 kilometers. And you can shut the light off when you're driving. You got lights you can come on. That's really,
so
really
you
nice.
could drive with or without the LEDs
That's
on.
right. You can shut the LEDs off. It's basically Bluetooth by default, or when you shut the key off.
And is that on both sides? Those,
yeah, the LEDs on both sides of the bike.
Got a little basket up front.
Yeah, you got a basket up
and
front. You can put the cat up there, or your rabbit.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and you got your...
Or groceries.
Or more groceries. You know, and you also got a little, you got a little bit of space here. You put 2 water bottles under here, and you can lock that up.
Okay, and again, what was the price point on that?
$14.99 plus the tax. And you get a full 1-year warranty, parts and labor, and it's done here. Are serviced here. We have 2 technicians here all summer long to fix your bike. We also have delivery service. We can go deliver the bike, pick up the bike. If you're broken down on the street someplace, we can pick up your bike, and there's a charge for that. But this is one of our bikes that's also got 3 speeds.
And maybe we'll do some others on some of the other models here at Derand, like a little bit more buggy.
Yeah, we got lots of bicycles and scooters.
Okay, well thanks so much for sharing that today, Andre.
All right, see ya, and welcome to Derand.